I'm starting the class, please. Now look here. Take out your note and start doing it. So today, lines and angles questions we are going to do. Let's start. Good evening, Anjali. Good evening, Anjali. Now look at it up. For lines and angles, what and all questions are there? We are going to start the questions. First class is lines and angles. After that only we will be going for grade 10 and then we will go for grade 12 classes. Okay, are you ready everyone? So lines and angles, some important questions are there. First we will handle NCERT questions. Okay. So now how to answer the question, what and all to be written. Good evening Anjali, good evening Unati, good evening Tanisha, good evening everyone. So now beta we'll start the class please. Okay. Now one by one we'll start doing our work. Okay. Now look at beta. First question for today. One figure is given to you. You analyze the figure nicely and start solving the question. The figure is, check this one out nicely. Here, the figure drawn is, this is exactly drawn. Check this one out. This is my perpendicular drawn. Okay. Now here, this is perpendicular. This is P, O, Q. And here, this is 90 degree. And here, good evening, beta. Good evening, Arunisha. This is R and this is S. Okay, beta. So what is given to you? Let's start this part. So what and all given, we are going to write. First, when you are proving anything, you need to see what you have to prove first. So that content you must write it nicely. After that only second part you have to do. Come on, check this one out nicely. First, what is given in the questions? We will write it as given section. So it is NCERT questions. We will be doing it very nicely. Given, what is that? POQ is a line. So this is given to you. POQ is a line. This is first information given to you. Next given information, what is there? Now check this one out. POQ is a line and ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OR is perpendicular to line PQ. This is there. Now OS is another ray. What is given beta? OS is another ray lying between ray OP and OR. OS is another ray lying between OS is another ray lying between OR and OP. Done? So this is exactly given to you. Once the things has been given to you, we will go for the next section. Now they are telling to prove that. So this is given. So once we are solving any question, first we will write given section. So once given is there, if we need any construction, that time we are writing construction. Now next phase is we have to write to prove that. So now let's start. What they have given to prove is directly I am writing to prove that. What they have given to prove that? You have to prove that angle ROS. Angle ROS. What given? Angle ROS. This angle. Okay. Angle ROS. This is what you have to prove. Angle ROS equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Minus angle POS. This is what you have to prove. Okay. Arunisha is there. Rest of the students' name I have not seen till now. They have not said hi to me neither. They have sent good evening to me. So I'm counting. Now look here. So half angle QOS and angle POS. This is what we need to prove. Okay. Now only one thing is given, that is exactly this is 90 degree. Angle ROQ is given as 90 degree. Now totally up to us how we are going to solve the question. Okay. Now here proof section. In proof section, we will start. So I'm starting with another color so that you can remember this. So once you are starting this part, now here you have to write that since OR is perpendicular to PQ. So what is perpendicular? OR is perpendicular to PQ. So therefore, angle ROQ is equal to 90 degree. Given? Okay. So ROQ will become how much degree beta? 90 degree. So this is what? 90 degree. First work we will take this two. Okay, so what work we are going to do? We need this one and we need this one. Correct now? So angle PRQ. So first work what we are going to do? If see POQ is a line, correct? Now this line is made with what beta? This line is made with this angle also and total angle also. SOQ. So what we can write here? Can you tell me? Where is Amrish? Huh? Science exhibition. Okay. Now look at it. So what we are going to write? We will take OPQ is a line now. So this angle plus this angle will become 180 degree. Correct? So what we can write here? Since PQ is a line. Now what is PQ beta? PQ is a line. Close the gate beta. PQ is a line. Go down and close the gate. So PQ is a line. ROQ is 90 degrees. So ROP is also 90 degree. Yes, ROP will also be 90 degree because total sum will be coming as 180 degree. Correct, Anjali? So now here PQ is a line. So since PQ is a line, what we are going to write here beta? We will write angle POS plus angle QOS equal to 180 degree. Correct now? This angle, we have targeted which two angles? Kindly check this one out. We have targeted these two angles. We have targeted this angle. We have taken this angle, this part plus this part. This total equal to 180 degree we have taken. That is angle POS plus angle RQOS is equal to 180 degree. Understood? So we have written angle POS and QOS is equal to 180 degree. After that beta, QOS can be written as what? QOS can be written as what? So we can write angle QOS. Now look here. Angle QOS will be written as angle ROQ plus angle ROS. Can we write like this? QOS can be written like this because angle QOS will be this angle plus this angle. Done. So now beta ROQ is how much? ROQ is 90 degree. And then we don't know what is ROS. ROS only we have to find. And this is exactly coming as QOS. So instead of QOS, can I write like that much? Correct or not? Tell me. I will be writing that part. Now check here. Instead of QS, can I substitute here? If I am substituting QOS value, what I am getting it up? QOS, because but QOS we are needing in the question. If you see very nicely, we are needing QOS and we are needing POS. So now here POS is missing. Correct now? POS is missing. So here QOS is coming as ROQ plus ROS. We need POS. What we need? POS. So now ROP, this is one segment we got. Correct? Now we got ROS. Is there ROS? Yes, there ROS. Is there QOS? We have QOS. Understood or not? So that means what? We have got this value. So we are not going to use it. Correct now? We got one equation. POS we got, QOS we got. One thing we got now. Now we need to go another analysis where we will be taking ROP. What we can take? ROP. If you are taking ROP, ROP is having what beta? POS and ROS. Correct? So here, can I divide this 90 degree into two groups? Or can I write this one? Now children listen very, Anuj, good evening Anuj, Bhavya, good evening Beta. So now here you need to be very, very careful. You need to be very, very careful because one part we have written and we got successfully POS and QOS. One thing we got now, POS and QOS, it is coming as how much degree beta? 180 degree. Now we need ROS. From here, where we will get ROS? Can we take ROP? Okay, because this part if I am taking, not getting anything. Students are getting stuck in this part. So here, if I will be taking ROP, I am getting ROP is what? 90 degree. ROP is 90 degree. But what I can write ROP as beta? ROS plus POS. Bingo. ROS and POS. ROS is also here and POS is also here. And this is equal to 90 degree. That is ROP. Done. Now this part and this part. Can we subtract? Can we subtract? This is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. What will happen if we will subtract this 2? Or can I add? Oh. How many of you are telling you need to subtract or how many of you are telling you need to add? Because this is your area. 90 degree everybody knows, yeah. Now please make it bit interesting. You are going to analyze and you are going to say me. Because if I will be adding this, I am getting 2 POS. Think nicely. Subtract? No. I am enjoying it. Come on, go for it. Subtract. Okay. I will say only one thing to all of you. You got stuck in one very simple thing. Listen. This is exactly what you people are doing, and you need to change your habit. Now listen. In the proof section, most of the students are getting stuck in these type of linings. Now today I am going to tell you how to understand where to add and where to subtract. Now because simple thing is there. See, what is given to you here? QS. If I will take ROP, first I was going correct only, but for you, I have changed the strategy. If I will go ROP is coming as 90 degree. Now, will I be able to justify this with this 100%? No. 100% there is no connectivity between them. If you subtract, in front of you I will subtract it. But you know what? You will get stuck. 100% you will get stuck. So my student, what they will do is, they will analyze and they will use the strategy. Now what strategy you are going to put? See, you have to have a very clear vision when you are solving this type of question. First is POS QOS is equal to 180 degree. Now here you see you have half of 2OS. This ROS should be how many times? 2 times. ROS should be how many times? 2 times. In subtraction, are you getting 2 times? No, you are not getting. Understood? You have QOS, you have POS, but POS will be getting subtracted. Then how you are going to get? 2 times you need. Absolutely. So are you correct here? Subtraction is wrong. Now tell me what should be my second strategy. Children, lines and angles, triangle chapter is the most typical chapter of class 9. Many of the times the students are making mistakes. So first work is how to reduce your mistake. I did only one work and all of you got trapped. None of you told me, auntie, here one thing is there and that is QOS and ROS should be half. So ROS should be coming exactly how many times? 2 times. We have to bring ROS how many times? 2 times. Now let's see 2 times is coming, not coming. That's a different thing. But we got POS and QOS. Now I am writing QOS is equal to, let's check, ROQ plus ROS. Done? Now ROQ is coming as 90 degree. Correct? ROQ is coming as 90 degree. But this ROQ is coming as 90 degree. I will keep it like this. But why I am going to use this ROQ? I am going to do one small work. And that small work, can I do one thing? Can I if I will be putting here QoS, so I am going to substitute there. Okay, let's check it is coming or not. After that, we will think anything else. So ROQ, QoS is, I am going to substitute there. So angle POS plus QoS. Instead of QoS, what I am writing? ROQ plus ROS is equal to 180 degree. Done? You see how you people is exactly. So POS you have, then you have angle ROQ. ROQ is coming how much? 90 degree. And plus angle ROS you having, that is 180 degree. Done? Now beta, angle ROS, so angle POS plus angle ROS is equal to 90 degree. This will come equation 3. Done na? Now check. Check how you people will keep on getting stuck. So POS, QoS, correct? Now 180 degree. POS, ROS, 90 degree. Now you say how you are going to do it. Come on, you people are going to tell me how to come out of it. I created this for you. Now what you are going to do to come out of it? You have ROS, now look here. You have POS, QoS, ROS and 90 degrees there. Two angle ROS. Why? For proving I am going to do like that. I will not do like that. Because here you see in the proof section there is no 90 degree. Check nicely. In the proof section there is no 90 degree. But here you are getting 180. After that you are getting 90. So we have to remove 90 now. How we are going to remove 90? That's it. Work over. Work over. This 90 degree is what? Check. Can I write this 90 degree? Angle ROP is equal to angle POS plus angle ROS, and ROP is nothing but 90 degree. Anjali has already informed me this, and that is ROS, but I did not listen to her because I was knowing you people will stop. So here instead of 90, what you are going to substitute? Brought or not? So here POS is coming. It will get cancelled. Check. It is going to get 90 degree. Siddharthna, come on, say the answer. You can do it. 90 degrees coming as POS and ROS. POS and ROS, again it is coming. Come out. You are going to analyze and do it. Come on. Answer is there with you. Answer already you got, but you are not seeing. Yeah, answer already you got. Ma'am, how to find so and yes, that's what beta, that's what every students are doing this mistake only, because one question like this will be coming in your exam. So extra time I'm taking for understanding that how you people are going to attempt this question. ROQ itself is giving you everything beta. ROQ, and already you solved here itself. Already you solved here itself. Check here. ROQ is what? ROQ is 90 degree. Understood. Now ROQ, what you are going to write? I will not write 90 degree. I will do only one word. I will write ROQS, ROS plus minus POS. Then here itself. Check. Correct only, na yaar. You look at. You are writing ROP. Understood or not? ROP when you are writing, how you can write ROP? ROP is ROS plus POS. Here only students are doing mistake. Now check, ROP is there now, but here you are getting what? ROQ. ROQ and ROP both are same only. Okay, because both are equal to 90 degree. So instead of this ROQ, can I write ROP? Both are 90 degree only, na? So if you are writing ROP here, what mistake you are doing? You are correct only. It will become ROS and POS. So ROS is coming two times. Here itself your question is solved. You are not able to analyze. That's the biggest mistake. Check here. Now I am just removing because I know you people, because POS, QoS is 180 degree. Are you going to use that? No, you are not going to use it. Now I am going to tell you the shortest method. You people will keep on getting acquainted with 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now can I solve it? Now I'm removing. Now I'm going back to the part because everybody do mistake in this. Now can I teach only one line? First line. Everything you got stuck now. Now I'm taking you out. This was the question. This was the question, and now see how two-line answer will come. Look here, Kanish. Now it's the time. This plus this equal to 180 degree. But why I'm going to write that? I will write ROP is equal to ROQ is equal to 90 degree. Waste of time. Then ROP is equal to ROQ is equal to 90 degree. That's first line. Second line you check. How to do in the shortest way. What is your QoS? QoS can be written as ROS plus ROS plus ROQ. Now since you know ROP is equal to 90 degree, you check QoS, we will take this as equation 1. See how shortest way you can write. ROS. Now ROQ will be what? Why again you are going to 90 degree? This is what I am telling you. POS is equal to 90 degree. No, don't go there, Shahil. This is what I want you people to understand. For this only I created this much. Now ROQ is there, Nabila. ROQ can be written as ROB. ROQ can be written as what? ROP. And what is ROP? ROP is POS plus ROS. That's it. Work over. ROS, how many times? Two times. Two times of ROS is equal to QoS minus POS. Angle ROS is equal to half of angle QoS minus angle POS. This one here. I rest my case. 3 lines and we got the answer. This is what I want you to study. You will be going for 90, 90, 90, 90. 90, 90 will not give you answers. How I did it, can I tell you again one more time? Did you enjoy it? Only one work you have to do. ROP is equal to ROQ, 90 degree. Both are 90 degree. Now both are equal to 90 degree. Second section, QoS only take. Don't think about anything. QoS is what? ROQ plus ROS. ROQ plus ROS. What is your QoS? This plus this. Understood? Now ROQ is nothing but equal to ROP. That's it. And here ROP can be opened as POS plus QoS, ROS. Now ROS, add, shift POS that side, and then you will be doing. Shortest way of doing. Don't go, this is what I took time. Lines and angles, I will teach you to have strength of lines and angles. You know what? You people will keep on doing this, that. Trust me, lines and angles are the easiest chapter, and you need to have a brain where you can analyze it and do it in the shortest way. Did you understood how to do it in the shortest way? You can teach others. They will tell this plus this equal to 90 degree, this minus this is equal to that. You say only one thing. Nothing. I will do according to you. What you did? Only you took QoS. So for that you need to see the question properly. In question what was there? I kept on giving you clues. You are not understanding. So only I played with all of you. Now I hope you might have understood ROQ, ROS, QoS and POS. Did you understood now? Say yes. Understood now? Nothing you did. ROQ is equal to 90 degree. But we never use that 90 degree. I told, can I subtract? You people are telling, yes, subtract. No, you can't subtract there. Understood? What you had to do is substitute ROQ is equal to ROP. And ROP is nothing but POS plus ROS. That's one line part was there. Only one line. And you can handle this type of question without anyone's use. Understood? Clear now? Only one thing you do and you will be coming out. Shall we go for the next question? Are you ready? Now this time Kanish give me some clues. I want clues for lines and angles. I'm not teaching geometry like this. I will be wanting you to write everything properly, and this is exactly my way of teaching. Understood? I hope everybody understood. Bhavya, understood clear? Only one line beta. QoS is equal to ROS plus ROQ. ROQ is 90, so it will be equal to ROS. That's it. And you can teach others. That is the shortest way. Don't teach me this much long. Next question. Are you all ready for it? Okay. Next question. NCRT selected questions I'm solving. NCRT questions, yes. And in NCRT question only, you need to have command, because if you know how to handle it, you will be handling everything for sure. Okay. This is exactly one line about, I have exactly explained you. This is vertically opposite angles, intersection is there, everything. First question was NCRT question only, beta. So I will jumble the question and I will give you. Okay, I will jumble the question and give you. Now I think you people will be understanding what I'm wishing from you. So this is exactly the lines. First draw it. First draw it. You will be getting. Now right here x. Now right here the x and y. Okay, and right here O. Now right here M and N. Okay, and right here P. Now, what is given question to you? First, write the presentation. How you are going to, they did not write lines and angles, 90-degree, whatever they will be giving, that only will be your point where you have to catch. So here, given section is most important in the question. They have drawn the figure, that is one clue for you. Solving section is exactly, yes beta. So here, you check this one out. They have given what we are going to take this. So lines xy and mn intersects at O. Intersects at O. Okay, line mn and xy intersects at O. Now, after that, what they are giving, POY is equal to 90-degree. Beta, you need to understand. If this and this is intersecting, that means this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle will be equal to this angle. Why? Because of vertically opposite angles. Because of which angle, beta? Vertically opposite angle. Understood? So now we are going to go to our work, please. Are you ready for it? Yes? Let's go for it. So angle POY, and another thing in the question they have given this as A, and they have given this as B, and they have given this part as C. After that, what they are telling, that in the question itself, A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. These are all given informations. Okay, vertically opposite angle, absolutely correct. Whereas now they are telling find C. The entire slot is in your hand. Okay, the entire slot is in your hand. Now make it very simple and solve it and give me the answer of C. Now I will be presenting it. See, don't worry, I will present in the most shortest way. In this world, you don't have time to make things critical. Make maths simple. Specifically, these type of topics, you must make it simple. Always remember this mantra, make it simple. Yes, so A is 2 and B is 3. No, A is 2x and B is 3x beta. Always write it as 2x and 3x. That's the most important thing. Why? Because it is given in ratio. Ratio is not having common factor. So we will be multiplying that thing that is taken from there. So child, always remember this thing beta. Let A will be equal to 2x and B will be equal to 3x. What is x beta? X is the common factor. C is coming as how much beta? One more time check beta. 138-degree. Come on beta, one more time analyze. Huh, beta? Say. Yes. Offline one student has given the answer C equal to 126. That's good. Now let's see how to solve this question, children. So here 190 degrees given, Navita. So first we are going to encache our information. What is the information given to you? Make it shortest. I believe make it shortest. So what is given to you? This is exactly we have in solution section I started with. Then now beta what next work we will take, because in that plainly they have given one conclusion. Anjali, absolutely correct. What conclusion they have given? XY and MN is line. That's the jackpot part they have given. So XY is line. Because until and unless they will not give you it as a line, don't take it as a line. Because it may be exactly lesser than 180 degree. Until and unless they will not give you, you don't perceive it. Okay? Yes, it can be. So angle B plus angle C is coming. So now we are going to do one thing. Since XY is a line. Now xy is a line, then that time what we will write, all angles sum will be equal to 180 degree, straight angle. So angle MOX plus angle MOP plus angle POY equal to 180 degree. Straight line, I am writing in shortcut, straight line concept. So now beta POY already given as 90. These two are what? 2x and 3x. A is equal to 2x. A is MOP. Okay. So for your understanding, I'll write MOP is nothing but AX and XOM is nothing but BX. So 3x, A and B. This is exactly, sorry, this is B and B is 3x. Okay. And this is A and A is 2x. So I just did extra work. I have explained this part. Now this plus 90 degree will be equal to 180 degree. So first work is getting x. So this is 90 because 90 minus 180 minus 90 is 90. So x will be equal to 90 by 5. So how much it is coming? Can you tell me? 5 ones are 5, 5 is so x is coming as 18 degree. So once x is coming as 18 degree, what next we are going to do? Vertically opposite angle concept is what beta? Can you tell me this? Which two lines are vertically opposite angle? We'll see what we can do. Come on. So A is coming as overall, absolutely. Come on, you can do it. A is child, correct answer beta, absolutely correct. We will be solving and trying to find out. Now x came, don't do any extra work. You got A is equal to 2x. What is 2 beta? 2 into 18 degree, that is 26. Done? Very good. 36. Now B is equal to 3x. So 3 into 18. How much coming? 54. Now tell me the shortest way. I'm not interested to know the long way. Tell me the shortest way. The most shortest way. Very good. Shortest way, because MN is also a line. MN is what? MN is a line. So, right, since MN is a line, why we will do vertically opposite angle, this thing, that thing. MN is a line. So, B plus C will be 180 degree. Linear pair. No more efforts. B is how much coming? 54 plus C equal to 180 degree. C will be 180 minus 54 degree. Answer is 126. Bingo. Only 2 shots you played. And that is the game you played with lines only. Understood? So, 2 shots. And that 2 shots itself you got the answer. Did you enjoy the class, please? Today, everyone tell me. First, I taught you don't mess up things. Second, I taught you make it simple. Understood? This you remember. So, I did any big work? No. I only encashed 2 things. XY is a line, MN is line. And I did not took A as 2 and 3. What did I took? 2x and 3x. Because the common ratio part was missing. How was the class? Did you understood this question? We'll go for the next question, please. Are you ready for the next question? And in very shortest way we are going to solve. Just promise me that you will be solved in the shortest and the most accurate way. No here and there, most shortest way. Okay? Geometry we will play and we will study. No big deals, only simple work. Are you ready for the next question? Ready? Very good. Super. So I think you people are enjoying. Now we will go for the next question. Now do it nicely. Child, give me the best possible answer in the most shortest way. Okay, ready for this question, children? Your strength is your command in mathematics. Make it simple. So two lines are there. They have given parallel or not. We will not put more focus. It is parallel, not parallel. We are going to encash the informations only. Now one line is given. So how much is given? The best important point in geometry is how much is given. Use that. Don't apply your brain. This is the most shortest way. What is given, from there only you are going to bring answer. Don't mess up things. That's the only clue in geometry. That's given to you. Okay. Come on, let's start the question. Are you ready for it? A, B, C, D. We will take A. We will take A, B, C, D. Okay. Now they have given this as 90 degree. One information they have given. Now this point is F and this point is G. That's it. This much information given to us. Now, what is given section is here. AB is parallel to CD. Wow. They have given actually AB is parallel to CD. And another information here E is there. EF is perpendicular to CD. EF is perpendicular, sorry. EF is perpendicular. We must write FE is perpendicular to CD, not EF. FE is perpendicular to CD. This is the second information given to you. Now angle GED. Angle GED. Total angle GED. Look here how I am drawing this. That is total angle GE and D is equal to 126 degree. How much it is given? 126 degree. Now look here, Navita, nothing, you can be able to solve. Angle GED is equal to how much degree, beta? 126 degrees. Now you need to find, come on children, you can do it. To find angle AGE, and next angle you have to find is angle GEF. Next angle you have to find is FGE. These three angles you have to find. These three angles you have to find, and trust me, you can do it. Yes, AGE. (180 minus 160). No? AGE. Now look here, beta. Now we need to go to GEF. You got 36, absolutely. Now look here, beta. AGE. Gokulnath, absolutely correct. Beta, AGE is 126. But for first, see, don't be in hurry, write the answers. Steps is also very important for CBSE. You need to write the steps. What I am going to write? Come on. In the solution, this is find the question. But now, how to solve it? First, we have to check that one. Google, absolutely correct. So, what we are going to do, beta? First work is alternate interior angles. So, we will first indicate AB is parallel to CD and GE act as transversal. GE acts as transversal. You know the line which is exactly touching both the understood. GE acts as transversal. So once it is acting as transversal, what it will happen? Alternate interior angle. So alternate interior angle. Which two angles will become alternate interior angle? This angle and this angle will become alternate interior angle. So we need not to do anything here. Just you wrote this one now. So angle AGE will be equal to angle GED, and that will be equal to 126 degree because of Z formation. Always remember this Z part is there, absolutely correct, Gokul. So this and this will be equal. So how much this angle will be there? This angle will be same. So it is coming as, but you have to write alternate interior angles. Done. Alternate interior angles. Next one. Next one, what they're asking? GEF. GEF, Baba. This much tough? No. So GEF, what we are going to do? GEF is not at all tough. Angle GEF is made with two angles. You check. GEF. So they are asking GEF. GEF. Can I take this one total? Our work done. Understood? How? GED. We will not be focusing about GEF. We will take GED. Our GED is given now. What is given? GED is equal to 126 degree. Now GED is made with GEF plus FED, and that will be equal to 126 degree. FED is how much? 90 degree. Perpendicular given. FED is perpendicular. So here we can write FED is equal to 90 degree. So here GEF is equal to 126 degree minus 90 degree. Since FED is equal to 90 degree. Bingo. How much it is coming, beta? Huh? 36 degrees. Second part done. Bingo. Okay, this is 126 degrees, absolutely correct. Second part answer is coming as 36 degree. Last one, FGE. FGE. Is it tough? The answer is no. What conclusion you are going to FGE? You see here, it is coming as 126 degree. Correct now? And this is exactly coming as what? We don't know. You can do two things. Co-interior angles concept can be interior angles. Co-interior angles sum is how much, beta? 180 degree. Co-interior angles. Now you can go by two concepts, children. Either you can consider AB as a line and this plus this equal to 180 degree you can take. But since it is parallel, my suggestion is this and this is parallel and this is acting as transversal. And you have already indicated this one. So this you have already written there. So extra work you need not to do. Only one small work you are going to write. Co-interior angles is supplementary. Sum of co-interior angles is supplementary. That's only one line you need to write that. So co-interior angle sum is supplementary. Okay. So this much only. So what we are going to write? Angle we can take from here. FGE plus angle GED equal to 180 degree. What conclusion? No need to write this again and again because already in the top I have angles in the same side of sum of co-interior angles in the same side of transversal are supplementary. That is the entire definition. So co-interior angle sum is supplementary. So we will write in shortcut. Once written, this is one, how much it is coming? FGE plus 126 degrees equal to 180. So 180 minus 126, how much is coming? 54 degree. Bingo. 54. Absolutely correct. So its answer is coming as how much? 54 degree. How was the question? Yes, absolutely. But you must know how to solve. Because until and unless you are not writing fully, it is of no use. You need to analyze this, you need to write it out. Okay. Now shall we go for the next question? Ready for next question? Still now we did not touch big questions. Okay, we'll go for the next question. Ready? Ready? Okay, super. So we'll go for the next question, beta. Next question is this one done. Now you need to draw this. First you need to draw this one. Now draw this part. Done. Now they're giving you, let's draw this A, B, C, D is there. This is O, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay. After that, they are giving this total angle is 130 degree. This total angle is 120 degree, and this is taken as x. Now you have to find x. Come on, solve and find x. And what is given to you is AB is parallel to CD. Given section is only one, and that is given part is what beta? Given section what they have given is AB is parallel to CD. Go for it. I'm going to do one construction here. I will not take any half this thing that way. I will do 150 construction. X is coming as 110 degree. Let's check it out. 60 plus 50 is 110. Right. Now look here. First work what we are going to do. First we will be drawing this line. We will be taking one construction line. We will draw one line. So we will write in construction. We have to find what? We have to find after this. We have to write to find x. Construction work now we will do. Drawing PQ parallel to AB parallel to CD. Understood? So two parallels are given, you don't do it like this. You write PQ parallel to CD. PQ parallel to AB and PQ parallel to CD. Now coincident angle on the same side of this transversal. Sum of coincident angle. So what we will do is, we will take first this two. Now check here please. This angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. Understood? So first we will take AB parallel to, steps writing is very important. So you write here taking AB, when AB is parallel to, AB is parallel to PQ and AO acts as transversal. Because you are doing geometry, so you need to indicate every single change you are doing. Okay? So now beta, what you will write? Angle BAO plus angle AOQ is equal to 180 degree by sum of two interior angles are supplementary. Okay? I wrote it shortcut. So angle BAO is 130 degree plus angle AOD is equal to 180. So angle AOD is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. Answer is coming as 50 degree. Take it as equation 1. I did not skip a single concept there. I am writing everything down. Now we will take PQ parallel to CD. So now second step is, since CD is parallel to PQ. Now you take angle BCO plus angle COQ is equal to 180 degree. Understood? Same concept. I put dash so that you can understand that same thing is there. So 120 degree plus angle COQ, sorry, BCO now, COQ we have to find. So angle COQ plus 120 degree equal to 180 degree. So angle COQ is equal to 60 degree. This is equation. Now you know that x is nothing but angle AOD plus angle AOQ. So AOQ plus angle COQ. What is AOQ? 50. What is COQ? 60. The total angle is coming as 110 degree. Well, then answer is absolutely correct. It is coming as 110 degree. X is not, don't write X as 50 degree beta. Total sum will be coming as 180 degree. One part will be 50, another part will be how much? 60. So 50 plus 60 total will be coming as 120, 110 degrees. Okay? Yes? Total is coming as. Have you understood now? So we wrote sum of coincident angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. That is the entire definition. Means the entire theorem part. Sum of co-interior angles in the same side of transversal are supplementary. Yes. So like this type of questions, will you be able to solve? Come on, say. Yes. Will you be able to solve these type of questions? Yes. Now, beta, one more question is there. So, next class, lines and angles, we will do some more typical questions. Okay. MCRT and some typical questions. Along with one session, I'm going to keep for MCQs. Now, we will start triangle chapter. One more class of lines and angles. Then we will start triangles because some schools are giving triangles also. So, concepts of triangles we are going to start. After that, we will do another work revision. So before 10th of September, we will start rigorous revision sessions, okay? Because only study is not there, we have to revise. So MCQs, case studies, and 2 marks and 3 marks questions in sessions we are going to start. I hope you have understood NCRT questions. Yes, we will be solving NCRT questions. First priority I'll give to NCRT plus MCQ case studies. How much case study you will be doing, beta, that much will be giving strength to you. I hope you might have understood, beta. Yes. SK Cooking, you came here. Now, I'm going to start 10th class, please. Now, I'm going to start 10th class, okay? Up to triangles coming. Yes, okay. Bye, everyone.